Welcome to Review Parks. Search for reviewparks.com for site. Review Parks present best laser tag sets. Endless fun for kids and adults. Want to begin an exciting laser tag game with your families or friends? Vatos infrared laser tag set will bring hours fun in the game for kinds and adults. This is the most advanced set of laser tag blasters with guns and vests. With it, your kids will keep away from computers and mobile phones. Multiplayer and 4 firing modes. The laser tag guns set includes 4 guns and 4 vests. Multiplayer makes teamwork important in the game. Up to 4 teams can play in this riveting battle, which makes the game difficulty upgraded. Switch the firing mode skillfully of pistol, shotgun, machine gun, and rocket. You will win the battle easily. Safe and exciting, 100% safe. Using child safety infrared signal emission less than 1 milliwatt, won't bring harm for eyes. These laser toy guns are ergonomically designed with a solid grip in your hand, easy to handle even for young kids. High simulated shooting sound and tactile vibration bring unbeatable experience. High quality and fashion. The laser tag game set are designed for laser tag battles, with a range of up to 100 feet. 4 guns and vests are with 4 colors. Fashion, lightweight, comfortable feel and durable design is attractive for both kids and adults. Each laser tag gun is made according to the highest manufacturing standard, which guarantees long-lasting quality.